Good evening and welcome to the Azure DevOps Lab preparation. I just want to show you how you can quickly prepare the lab using the demo generator. So, and it's going to be for the Azure DevOps AZ-400. So the steps that we need to look at, the course itself is designing and implementing Microsoft DevOps solution, and I can say AZ-400. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create an Azure DevOps account. Then once you create that is free, it costs you nothing. Also, once you do that, the next thing you need to do is you need to create an organization within your DevOps. And after then, we are going to switch over to the DevOps demo generator, which is the website given. So in the demo generator, we type the project name. We are going to select the organization based on what we created earlier. Then we click on the choose template. So we are going to select Parts Unlimited, and that is the project we are going to create. And in case there's any missing dependency, you need to install it. Otherwise, you just click the create the project. So without taking much of your time, we are going to switch over. So I've created my DevOps. So the first thing I will need to mention is to create an organization. So I'm creating a new organization for the purpose of this. So I'm going to use the same login. So I'll click on continue. So it has suggested, but I'm going to change it to PC Azure DevOps. That's what is going to be the name, and I'll click on create. So it's taking you to the Azure DevOps organization. So it's going to create the DevOps organization. Created. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will quickly switch over to the Azure DevOps demo generator, which we're going to use to. So the first thing I try to do here is to sign in. When you sign into the demo generator, because I've already created my account in the DevOps, so I'll just click on sign in. So it will automatically use my login to sign in. So what we have is this. So the first thing so for the name of the project, I'm going to call it Parts Unlimited. Parts Unlimited. That's what I'm going to call my project. So the next thing I'm going to do is, so the project name is Parts Unlimited. So the organization is going to be what I've just created, which is a PC Azure DevOps. And once the template comes up, I'm going to change the template. The default is a smart hotel, but that's not what we're looking at. So I'm going to create this and select Parts Unlimited. Then I click select template. So once that one's, so the next thing it's going to do is I've chosen the template. So I'm going to create a project, and this is started creating my project. My project has successfully created. So I'll go back to my DevOps. So I'm going to click on the refresh. Oh, yeah, that should be it. And from the PC Azure DevOps, you will see. So I've got my project, and that's what we are going to use for the rest of this project. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you again.